the things that we do in Canada. My people, if there's anything that this country has turned me into, is to be Bob the Builder. Tell me why. Like, I get to couple things. And the fun part is I actually enjoy it. I never knew I had it in me. So let's just say Canada has a way of, making you discover more of your potentials. Hi guys, welcome back to my space. A few days ago, I moved into a new apartment and I've been trying to put things together, and I think it's nicely coming alive. I still have quite a number of things to do and to really make it more personal. So a few days back, I received some of the items I purchased. Today, I'm gonna set up one of them, or who knows, maybe even two. I recently purchased a vanity mirror. I've always wanted to have that for the longest time, ever since I got to Canada. But for some reason, all of the places I've lived, either I just never got around to doing it or I didn't quite see the need. Right now, I'm really needing to have like a vanity mirror in my bedroom so I don't have to do a lot of makeup in the bathroom. I just want to be able to do makeup from the comfort of my bedroom and like really sit down to do makeup. So I bought one. Yay! Wow! I am going to set it up right now. So come with me. Let's get DIYing if there's anything like that. Yeah. Hey guys, this DIY thing today is taking forever. Anyways, I took a break, watched a movie, tried to wrap up with some other things because I had a deadline. So I kind of put it on pause. I just want to show you so far what I've built. And then I absolutely love it. So it doesn't really take a long time. I should have been done by now. And that's if you follow the manual exactly as it is, read through all of the instructions, follow the picture labelings exactly as they were labeled, then you should finish in good time. Again, I understand if it's your first time trying to couple things together, it gets really annoying sometimes, but once you kind of get the hang of things, really, the next couple of items that you try to couple together, they shouldn't take you that long. So let me show you real quick what I've built so far. I love it, guys. Guys, so I just wanted to share a quick update with you. So this apartment I moved into, I realized the fridge was not really cooling as much, and so I made a complaint and they came, took a look at the fridge. Initially the person who took a look at the fridge said it looked okay, but I got back to them to say no, that is not okay and it's totally unacceptable. And just today I got a message that they are bringing me a new fridge. Guess what, guys? They delivered a new fridge, slightly bigger than what I wanted and exactly the brand that I love. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not like I told them. To be honest, I was just expecting them to replace the fridge, maybe like get from an empty suite, that the one that works or something, just, you know. But I am so blown away that I get a brand new fridge. Plus I get the brand that I like and it's slightly bigger than what used to be here. So I am super excited about this. Let me just show you real quick. Ta-da! Ta-da! Frigidaire. And so now my freezer is up. Before, my freezer used to be down. Before, this was like the height of the entire freezer. Like, see where my hands are? All the way down. Like, the freezer was so small. So I feel like this is slightly bigger and I can work with this. Like, so you see here to the end is deeper. The one I had was like, I don't know what that thing was. It just would not work for me. So this is what it looks like. It is already cooling. I'm just gonna take this off real quick. Yeah, so I love it. All brand new. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning in here. See, perfect to share. So I'm gonna do the cleaning in a bit and just really get settled. So yeah, that's it. I thought to share. Now I can fully resume like cooking, meal prepping, because I feel like I haven't really settled as far as like in the kitchen is concerned, because I was worried about, you know, buying groceries in bulk, like the way I would usually buy, and the ones that I'll put in the fridge would go bad. So I have been buying food for the most part, or just, you know, really eating or not stocking up for like the way I would stock up my fridge. So all that is past, and now the real homemade meals are literally activated. Mwah!